Hello, do you know what an equivalent fraction is? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So equivalent fractions is the same as saying what two fractions are the same quantity. So I'm going to do this in a picture form for you to make it really obvious. You could have something like this. Two circles. And I could split this circle into half and this circle into 4 pieces. Now, if I coloured in, or shaded in one piece of this, that is 1/2, isn't it? Because 1 means that there is 1 coloured in, and 2 is because there's 2 pieces. Now, if I coloured in 2 pieces here, that would equal the following fraction. The top number would be 2, and the bottom number is 4, because remember, there are 4 pieces of the pizza. Now this is an equivalent fraction. They're both the same because it's just as saying they're both half. Because look, this one I've coloured in half of the pizza, but just in a bigger slice. And this one I've coloured in half the pizza still, but with 2 smaller slices to make the same quantity. And that is how I can explain to you what equivalent fractions are. It's when they're the same fraction, but just in a different form. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one. Bye!